it in, get it working. Where are we? Come on. So that's on high. Let's move these to one side, and obviously, like I said before, like we normally do, we'll do them in the order that we're going to use them, or rather put them in the dish that we're going to use them. So we can either do your mushrooms that sort of way, but what I prefer, to be really honest with this, is just to quarter them. Simple quartered mushrooms, just like that. Not like that, just like that. There we are. Okay, put that to one side there. So we've also got some chili, which I like chili. I like it a little bit hot, so there we are. A bit of chili done. Move that to one side. And we've got some garlic out of the garden. That over there with the chili, a bit more. Thank you very much, Lee. If you've never tried growing garlic, this is the time now in the next month to get it in. And what I would do, if you're going to get some garlic, get the biggest pieces that you possibly can and put them in the fridge. Now the reason being, in the fridge, they'll start to sprout, and when you get to November, which is quite cold, that's going to be the time when you plant it. Wow. Okay, ginger. I like ginger, you know I like ginger. Let's get our ginger peeled. There's our ginger. Right, we'll take our steak out. In with the onions. While we're doing that, we're going to pop some peppers in. I'll either cut some peppers ready. Beef broth. Okay, time to get the garlic, the ginger in, and obviously our chilies. So I'm going to get this steak back in with all its juices.